Hey everyone, it's Dr. Tammy from Total Wellness of New Jersey. I wanted to hop on and tell you about a talk that I'm giving next Thursday night, May 20th, 7 p.m. It's virtual, it's free to the public, and it's probably one of the most important topics I've ever talked about. It's called Trapton Tech Brain, and it's all about how technology is affecting the developing brain. This is the first generation of children to have technology throughout their entire lifespan. Whether it's a 6-month-old chewing on a cell phone, or a 2-year-old with their first iPhone, or not iPhone, but iPad, or a second grader with their first cell phone, we've just never seen anything like this over the span of a lifetime. We've got EMFs, electromagnetic fields, and radiation coming at us from all directions. And what is that doing to our kids? I feel like we always hear about all the amazing things technology has done for the world. But what's it doing to our health? And why aren't more people talking about it? What's the connection between technology, cocaine, and sugar? Have you ever heard the term digital dementia? What does that even mean? And does that pertain to your child? Postural decline. I'm a chiropractor. I've been doing this for over 24 years. The postural distortions I am seeing, and as young as 6 years old, I used to not see until people were in their 30s and 40s. So come and join us, listen in, hear what's going on, know that we're going to give you solutions. We want you to leave this webinar armed with information, feeling strong and confident about how you're going to move forward with your children's technology use. And trust me, my solution is not ever going to be take it away, they shouldn't have it, because it's just not reality. So we're going to be giving you solutions that are based in reality that you can do, and it will help your family tremendously. It actually may bring your family closer together, but it will definitely change the trajectory of your children's lives. That I know for sure. I hope to see you there Thursday, May 20th, 7 p.m. The link is below. Thanks so much.